Hello friends, welcome back to Tasty Bites. You've surely heard the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. But have you ever wondered why? Today, let's uncover the amazing secrets of apples that make them one of the healthiest fruits in the world. Main content apples are packed with vitamin C, fiber, and powerful antioxidants that protect your body from many diseases. One of the biggest benefits of apples is for your heart health. Eating just one apple a day can lower bad cholesterol, improve blood circulation, and keep your heart strong. Apples are also amazing for digestion. Thanks to their high fiber, they keep your stomach happy, prevent constipation, and improve gut health. Do you want to lose weight naturally? Apples are low in calories but very filling, which means they keep you full for longer and stop unhealthy cravings. Another secret power of apples is for your brain. Studies show that eating apples regularly can improve memory and protect your brain from aging. And let's not forget beauty benefits. Apples give your skin a natural glow, reduce acne, and keep you looking young and fresh. For vitamins, next time you feel hungry, grab an apple instead of junk food. It's sweet, crunchy, and a true gift of nature for your health. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tasty Bites for more tasty and healthy food secrets.